The Starfrit Egg Pan. The rock is a great choice for cooking eggs and small meals. It has a non-stick surface, so food does not stick easily. This makes cooking simpler. Cleaning up afterwards is also easy. You can just wipe it clean. The pan is made from forged aluminum. This makes it strong and helps heat spread evenly. This Starfrit Egg Pan. The rock is also oven safe. This adds to its usefulness in your kitchen. The handle is designed to stay cool while you cook on the stovetop. Plus, it is PFOA-free. This means it is made without harmful chemicals. It gives you peace of mind while you are cooking for yourself or your family. It is a simple yet effective pan. For anyone needing a small, reliable pan, the Starfrit Egg Pan. The rock is a solid pick. It does what it promises without any fuss. It's durable, easy to clean, and safe to use. Forget about complicated prep or dealing with stubborn food. This pan makes cooking eggs and small portions a breeze. It's a helpful tool in any kitchen, and many find it quite dependable for their daily cooking orders. Pros: non-stick, durable, forged aluminum, oven safe, PFOA-free, easy to clean, good heat. Scratch resistant, small size, versatile. Cons: non-stick may fail over time. Small size, not for large meals. Light aluminum heats, cools fast. Shine may dull in dishwasher. Handle might get loose. Expected it to be bigger, not ultra light. Can't solve resin buildup. Ceramic can chip. Features: non-stick, egg fry pan, forged aluminum, durable, oven safe, PFOA-free, easy to clean. Black, Starfrit the Rock. The Starfrit the Rock 16 centimeters, 6 inches. Non-stick egg fry pan is a black pan made from strong forged aluminum. It has a special non-stick surface so your eggs won't stick. And it's easy to clean. You can even put it in the oven. It's also made without PFOA, which is a chemical some people don't like in their cookware. This pan is designed to be tough and last a long time. This Starfrit the Rock 6-inch egg pan is made from strong forged aluminum and has a non-stick surface that is PFOA-free and easy to clean. It heats well and is oven safe. However, it is small, so it's not ideal for cooking large meals. And the non-stick coating may not last forever. The light aluminum can heat up and cool down quickly. And the shiny finish might become dull if washed in the dishwasher. Some users have found the handle can get loose over time and wished the pan was bigger. Also, it's not super light, and built-up residue can be hard to remove, while the ceramic coating could chip.